I didn't expect him at that level because I knew that he worked very hard, but you never know how much efficiency that will be to transfer that into a competitive game, you know. So I think it was great to see that he hasn't lost his runs, he hasn't lost his finishing, and it shows as well that when you are able to transform that frustration of not playing into efficiency, you know, that's a special guy. You have always two fears. The first is that it takes him too long to get the decision making, you know, and secondly as well that the player is scared to go into any contact. So when he made the runs and was fighting with the defender, for me that was a very important moment for him.